Hello everyone, welcome to my Akka class channel. Today I am writing 3 major types of tenses. Let's see 3 major types of tenses. Subject is I. In present tense we use it as am. In past was and in future will be. Second one is we. In present tense are, in past tense were, and in future tense will be. Next one, you. In present tense we use it as are, and in past tense were, and future tense will be. If you like my channel, please like and subscribe. Next one is he. In present tense we use it as his. In past tense was, and future tense will be. She is, was, will be. It. In present tense is, and past tense was, in future tense will be. Next one, they. In present tense are, in past tense were, and in future tense will be. Thank you for watching video.